In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Instagram Notes feature not showing, so you can finally get notes on Instagram and start using it properly. First, let's talk very quickly about what the Notes feature is. Notes are those short status-style messages that appear at the top of your inbox, usually above your direct messages. If you don't see that section at all, or you used to have it and it disappeared, this guide will walk you through the main things you can check on your own. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone and going straight to your direct messages, or inbox, screen. Normally, if notes are available on your account and in your region, you should see a small profile icon with a plus sign at the top, or a leave a note option above your chats. If you don't see anything like that, don't worry. We'll troubleshoot step by step. One of the simplest things you can do is make sure your app is fully updated. Go to the App Store on iPhone or the Play Store on Android. Search for Instagram and check if there's an update button. If there is, tap it and wait for the latest version to install. Running an outdated version of the app is a common reason why newer features, like Notes, don't show up. After updating, open Instagram again, go back to your inbox, and look for the Notes section at the top. If it's still not there, the next step is to restart the app. Close Instagram completely, not just minimize it, then reopen it and check once more. Sometimes a quick refresh like this forces the app to reload your account features. If that doesn't help, log out of your account and then log back in. To do this, go to your profile, open Settings, scroll down, and tap Log Out. Then sign in again with your usual login details. Once you're back in, return to your inbox and see if the Notes feature appears. Another thing to keep in mind is that Instagram rolls out features gradually. The Notes feature may not yet be available in every country or for every type of account. If you've tried updating, restarting, and logging out and back in, and you still don't see Notes, it's very likely that the feature just hasn't been enabled for your region or your account category yet. In that situation, your best option is simply to keep your app updated and check back from time to time. When Instagram enables Notes for you, it should appear automatically at the top of your inbox without you needing to change anything else.